card number 5. I decided to use one of those globy things, and I actually fussy cut it. No, I didn't fussy cut it. Well, I did fussy cut it roughly and glue it down on the much thicker paper, so I'm going to have it 3D. So the idea is to add it to our card and add elements there. So we need something for the background, and we need as well something in here, and I'm hoping that this is going to be 3D. What's inside, not necessarily, but I really wish for this to be super much Christmassy, because I think it's very much Christmas right now, and whenever this week is actually coming and happening, it's very much Christmas season, so one card must be Christmassy. We have the winter 2 cards. If you haven't seen the recent one, check it out. I just actually finished recording it, so truthfully I'm creating these cards one after another because we are away for Christmas. We decided to take the girls and go on holidays like last year. Last year we went to Spain for the whole Christmas, and this year we're going to Portugal, which I'm super excited. We've never been there, and I'm actually excited for Lisbon to see the markets. We're going to go ice skating, so I really hope for very much so family time, relaxing, recharging, and really focusing on the girls, ourselves, and showing you, of course, on Instagram all the stories. I hope I'm gonna share stories like I always share stories from our trips. So if you're watching now and you're curious what is going on, be sure to check my Instagram, because if anything, it's going to be there, or it's going to be on Facebook stories, Maremi Small Art. So check it out if you're curious of Portugal, how it looks and all. Look at it. It is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, we need to come up with some background and something Christmassy for inside. This is so cute. I'm gonna walk you through. I fussy cut the little animals from Bits and Bobs and a little present as well, and I do believe I'm going to have some beautiful background. I think this one, which is very interesting, and I'll show you why and how. But before that, I tell you how actually the idea came, because at first I really wanted this to be here, and I felt, oh, it's so empty, we don't know what's going on, like then the idea with the present came, and I was like, I like that. But yet again, I don't know, it just, I don't know. So I said, I'm gonna switch to her, and no, not even better. But I don't know in which moment I just moved her aside. There we go. And then I added him. And even I know he's sticking out with his ear and with his tail, but I think that's fine, guys. We don't have to necessarily have everything so perfectly perfect. I think it's so beautifully perfect as it is. And who says that it has to be inside the globy thing? No, it's our decision, imagination, and all. I think it's so cute, the fact that it's outside. Maybe she's inside, maybe he's outside, whatever. And then I thought to add it on this background, so it's going to be on the card, of course. But what's interesting is that I don't know, but I'm gonna try to fussy cut this, and I'm gonna be trying to getting somehow so this present will go above this, that I'm gonna, I don't know, I don't know. And also what happened is that I like the idea that I changed the shape of the present, and I just bend it like this. Can you tell? I just bend it. I don't know if you can tell. 1 second. So it was like this, and I just bended it a little bit, just a tiny piece, because it's shorter, flatter, and makes just, I don't know, more sense the way as it's standing, and I like it as it is. I think we're gonna start by firstly just gluing down our, well, I'm gonna cut this away because we don't need that, and then I will just add the glue. I'm so excited about this card because I know that some of you have been struggling how to fill in those globy thingies, and I think it's my first time using it as well, so I get it, I understand, but you have so many amazing elements to use the globe with that sky's the limit. Just go for it, and you can do animals, you can do mix. The things can be inside, the things can be a bit of outside. I also cut it out a little bit here, so that way she is she's a little bit connected with that bow, like she's under the bow, which is more like a dimensional feel. And we're gonna do same here. He's going to be in front of her, but the present is going to be in front of him, I think, which is already so cute. Oh, this is doty, like, I love it so very much. This is so cute. Look at it. I just love it. Maybe the present isn't as straight as I wished, is it? Let's see if I can chance it and turn it around just gently. Once more. I don't like with something that technically could be symmetrical isn't. It annoys me a little bit. It's probably just my perception of seeing it. It's probably fine, but it's just that it does bothers me, I guess. And there we go. There we go. I think that's better. Oh, this is so cute. I have everything glued down, and I think it's the cutest thing of this season. I mean, seriously, if this is not the cutest, then I don't know. But do you know what I just felt? It nearly looks that she's inside the bubbly thing and she's like knocking. I just visioned the next pets or next animals actually knocking onto the glass or something. It's so cute. Well, in a sense, it's maybe not cute because maybe they'd be like trapped or something. I don't want to give that vibe, but I think it is so absolutely, I don't know, I just love it. I love it. I remember when making those globy things, I remember when envisioning what could be added and how we can fit in, and this is it. This is like my dreams, my visions, my imagination that was all these months in head, and thinking of Christmas ideas. I was like, we can just fit it in so much in it, and everyone can do their own globy things, and I so love it. I'm sorry for such a speech about it, but I am truly loving it, and I like that this is very sturdy. This could technically be as a card as it is. And you know what? I'm sorry for the noise. If you can hear it, I just exit. Aida, the sneak peek of this project, literally like sent her a photo of it, so she probably is replying to it right now, but because I'm recording I will check it in a minute. But I just wanted to send her a sneak peek before I'm gonna move on and put it on the card, which now I feel like, oh, it's nearly a shame to put it onto the card, to be honest, you know, because it is just so cute as it is on its own. I mean it. Wow. Okay, let's just cut this one, because however we're gonna do it, I think I'm gonna cut it anyway. One moment. I think I would love this to be as full as possible, so I'm gonna leave this bit there, so hopefully I'm not ruining anything. Hopefully it's enough. Oh, it's not. It's just about Marta. Oh my daisies. That's all me. That's like always me. Okay, let's add glue into that card. Dum da da dum. I'm so excited for this one. I am so So happy for this one, so happy, so excited. I'm excited for every card, honestly, and I feel and I love that every card is different, at least for now. We'll see how many more ideas we have, but I love that every card is different and the books are giving you all these options, and even though we have the same prompts, you are really able to create so much different things and so many. You know what, I will just... I had a different idea, Marta. You forgot about it already? I forgot that I had this idea of cutting it through. One moment. I'm gonna try it, but if I can do it, I need the little... Oh yeah, I have it. I need the little thingy, and I need the little knife. Okay, let's see if I can pull what I'm thinking. I'm not too sure, honestly, but I'm gonna try and see if I can pull this up. So basically, what I thought... Oops, no. Well done, Marta. No. Well done. Just make a little bit of room here, right? So what I was thinking was to... Okay, there's glue there. That's okay. So I thought to somehow make this... No, but is this even possible? It will have to go... No, do you know what? I won't... No. I think it's going to be as cute as it is now even. I think so. Let's just do it without it, because I'm kind of confused. I think it will be a bit not okay, not the way as I envisioned, because I would have to cut this and only one present would stand out, so maybe not. Maybe next time. I'll be more brave. Let's leave this, Marta. It's already beautiful as it is, so let's just not spoil it. I would be actually scared of spoiling it, to be honest. I'm usually brave, but in this case I think I'm happy to have it where it is. Okay, down. Go down, move this. Perfect, Tino. Oh, I love it. Okay, it's like just about at the edges, Marta. I don't know how, but it's just about at the edges. Okay, let's just have now fussy cut this bit. I think I cut some part of a card as well. Oh well, Marta, it's fine. Okay. Oh, how doty. This is so cute. I love it. Oh, this is so incredibly cute, honestly. I think because I was thinking maybe about more quiet background. I'll show which one I had in mind. There was one here, just at the back, this one of those, which could be cute as well, isn't it? Have a look. That could be cute, maybe even better. I don't know. Hard to tell, right? No, I think I like this because it's very Christmassy, but both, honestly, both would work. I just really wanted this to be so Christmassy. While my glue gun is getting ready, I'm gonna add some 3D foamy. There we go. And it's going to be very much so, oh, 3D. I love that. Now, I don't even feel that we need any snow here, to be honest. So that's nice, that's good. And maybe some shimmer and shine. I don't know. We'll have to we have to wait and see. But even the way as it is right now, I just adore it. I think the creatures, the little animals here, are stealing the show so much. They're looking together. I feel like they are a couple, like they're a loved couple, that they are, I don't know, because I know it's a mouse and it's it's a mouse and it's a squirrel, but I really feel they're together. like a girl and a boy, and I honestly feel they are a couple in love. This is the, oh, okay, I'm gonna pause now because my hot glue gun, it's not hot. I'll be back to you. In the meantime, I've been fussy cutting for another project that hopefully I'm gonna finish and do after this one. But let's focus on the card for now. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy. I think I'm just gonna place it pretty much in the middle-ish kind of thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, I just so love it. Oops. Oh my. If this is not the cutest, then I don't know what is it. I'm not too sure I want any of the title for it. I think I love as it is. Unless I'm gonna quickly check the super tiny words, if there's anything that will just spark my feelings, and just that I'm gonna be like, yeah, this is it. Let's see. Magical family love, home, dreamy sparkle, dreamy shine. Honestly, anything would work. Friend, best wishes, be merry, warm wishes. Anything would work, honestly. Warm wish. Let's just grab the warm wishes one, just to see. How much it matches or how much it doesn't match. Warm wishes, okay. Those words are really tiny, so if you're into ATCs, you will totally love them. They are so small, so perfect actually. Some of them are even smaller, some of them are middle and a bit bigger. I think it's a very good mix, but overall it is a tiny selection. I mean, huge selection of tiny words, I should say. Warm wishes. Oh, do you know what? Maybe yes, because then honestly it's like it's cute as it is. Have a look. Or here only, or no, or nowhere. I don't know. One thing I don't like about it is that somehow it's taken away the feel of the globy thing. But then I don't know. I think I'm gonna skip the title here. I think I love it without the title. I really think it's just wonderful as it is now. But either way, if you would like to, no problem. So the prompt for this card, prompts, which is the globy to be used and maybe the animal. But yeah, let's do that. Globy and the animal. No, actually no. Let's do just the globe as the main focus. No. I just don't know. I don't want to restrict you too much, but at the same time, the idea is to have the prompt, so to make it a little bit more challenging maybe. So yes, let's do that. We have the globy and the animal. Let's do it. That's the previous one, which was also the animal. So you can see how different things can be, right? On this positive, beautiful note with our gorgeous little creatures, I'm gonna wrap up at that. Wishing you a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful holiday season, and yeah, have a beautiful time. Mind yourself and your loved ones. Reach out to those who wish to hear from you. It's that special time of the year, so why not? Why not do it? Have a great time, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.